To reset your phone, just follow me. First, go to settings and then click accounts. Then click your Google account and remove it. Be sure you remove all your Google account before resetting your phone, okay? Note, in resetting your phone, all files will be erased. Then after removing your Google account, just click back and then click systems. Click reset and then click reset phone and then click erase everything. Click again. Okay, your phone now is wiping data, so we just wait. Okay, finish wiping data. So let's just wait to reboot the system. So guys, this rebooting will take 3 to 5 minutes. So let's jump the video to make it short later, okay? Okay, video jump. Let's see that. Just follow me. It's all done. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.